If you've been struggling to lose your body fats and get that dream body, then you need to stop whatever you're doing and listen to this now, because this video presentation reveals the only way to speed up your weight loss process safely and effectively. In a couple of seconds, I'm going to show you the accidental diet discovered in 1924, designed to help children with epilepsy, turns out to be a breakthrough for weight loss. You will discover how to turn your body into a 24/7 fat-burning machine and help you reach your fitness goals sooner than you could ever have imagined. If you've been struggling to lose weight, even if you've been exercising regularly, this could be the only solution for you. Here's why. No matter how frequently you exercise, you will not lose weight if your body is not in a fat-burning mode. Sadly, most people start exercising with the expectation to lose weight fast. Of course, exercising will help you to lose weight and be healthy, but it is not the fastest way to lose weight. But if you combine exercise and follow the right diet, you will definitely be able to lose weight fast. But first, let me tell you a story. I was still struggling to lose weight. I did lose a few kilograms at first, and I was happy about it. But once I got from 95 kilograms to 87 kilograms, I hit a plateau. I kept exercising and eating healthy food. You can never imagine how many fruits and greens I consumed over the months hoping to lose weight. I felt healthier day by day, but my weight remained stagnant. Slowly, it was getting frustrating. Why in the world is it that exercising regularly and eating healthy doesn't work anymore? So I did my research and consulted with a few weight loss experts, and I got the same old boring answers. Eat clean, exercise more, and stay in a caloric deficit every day. Then they started teaching me calorie counting, which is very frustrating. I even remember that I had to carry my mini weighing scale everywhere I went for about a month. Nope, doesn't work because it's too inconvenient. Not until one fine day that I stumbled upon a diet that was discovered back in 1924 for treating children with epilepsy. Turns out it was a breakthrough for weight loss. This diet will trick your body into becoming a 24/7 fat-burning machine by making it use your stored body fats as an energy source instead of using carbs in your bloodstream. The good news is this is completely safe, easy to follow, and will shortcut your way for rapid weight loss. Well, today's your most important day because I'm going to reveal to you the diet that will help you turn your body into a 24/7 fat-burning machine so that you can even burn fat while you sleep. There is no way in the world you will find a better strategy for rapid fat loss. This scientifically proven and tested weight loss diet is the real deal. Today, I'm going to share with you the ultimate diet that helped me to shed away my stubborn body fats, feeling healthier and happier. Now's the time for you to do the same. Your frustration ends here. This might be the only solution you've been asking for, considering that you'll be able to turn your body into a 24/7 fat-burning machine, be healthier, happier, and fitter, be at your very best self physically and mentally, have a high mental focus to be productive at work, live longer, and become a cancer-proof superhuman. Melt that stubborn belly fat. Most important, you will reach your fitness goals much sooner than you think. Introducing Ketogenic Diet 101, the complete health and rapid fat loss diet blueprint. Research has been made that proves the ketogenic diet can not only help with weight loss, but to treat other diseases such as epilepsy, high blood pressure, diabetes, and even cancer. You get to reap all the health benefits of the ketogenic diet as well as achieving your dream body. The time to transform your body is now. Here's what you'll learn from this ketogenic diet blueprint. How does ketogenic diet enhance fat loss? How to turn your body into a fat-burning machine all day without going into starvation mode. The only side effects of the keto diet? Hint, it's a good side effect. 8 hidden benefits of the keto diet other than losing weight easily. How to eliminate sugar spikes for diabetic people once and for all. How to get higher mental focus. How to improve your memory. Avoid the types of foods that can cause foggy brain. How to increase energy level without relying on sugar rush. How to get a cleaner, healthier, and more glowing skin in a matter of weeks. 4 ways ketogenic diet destroys cancer cells. 8 main foods to eat and to avoid on a ketogenic diet. Why you should switch from paleo to keto diet. Will keto diet affect your athletic performance? 10 easy steps on getting started with keto diet. 18 yummy keto recipes that you can easily prepare, and so much more waiting to be uncovered inside. That's just scratching the surface. Instead of charging this life-changing diet at a ridiculous price, I am offering a huge promotion only if you act right now. The reason behind this discount is because I want to help as many people like you to reach your fitness and health goals. If you have watched this video until this far, you're most likely to be serious about transforming your body. And the good news is you're just one step away from getting the body that you wanted. All you have to do is simply apply this diet to start turning your body into a 24/7 fat-burning machine for the next 30 days. And if you don't see any improvement in your body, simply return your order within 30 days, and I will give you a 100% money-back guarantee, no questions asked. Fair enough? You have my word on it. If you get Ketogenic Diet 101 right now, you'll also get full access to these bonuses. Bonus number 1, complete checklist. This checklist contains a step-by-step action plan for you to make sure you get the full benefits of the ketogenic diet. By simply breaking one huge topic into easily digestible chunks, you get absolute clarity inclusive of easy-to-follow action steps. Bonus number 2, comprehensive mind map. This mind map is perfect for visual learners. It outlines everything you're going to discover throughout the entire course. With just a glance, you will have a clear picture of what to expect and absorb, so much more than reading through the ketogenic diet by pages. You get all the bonuses absolutely free, only if you act today. If you want to lose weight and reach your fitness and health goals fast, there's no better time than right now. You are just one step away from your dream body. Click the button below right now before this offer is gone for good.